It's the JQ Show. Yeah. It's the JQ Show. It's the JQ Show. What's good, y'all? Y'all, welcome to another episode of the JQ Show. Make sure you subscribe and do all that cute stuff. Where my hat at? Yeah, there my hat at. My classic Tampa Bay Yoba Peep game. Let me put this up a little bit so y'all can see me. All right, cool. That's cool. That's right. All right. So, transhumanism, robotics, part 3. Go like and subscribe, comment. Go follow me on SoundCloud.com, Instagram JQ Music with a K, and Instagram Jonathan_Quest, SoundCloud.com JQ Music with a K, and go buy my album on Bandcamp. So let's get to this. Deuces.
Fry station at a White Castle outside of Chicago. With its mechanical arm and using
That's
computer vision
crazy.
technology, Flippy can cook everything from French fries and onion rings to cheese sticks. White Castle said it plans to add 100 Flippies to its kitchens nationwide.
We used to need 2 people to operate
Robotics
that French fry
replacing
area
workers
during peak
already.
hours, and now we are able to only have 1 person operating that area.
Would you like to try the mac and cheese bites today? All right, thank you. If the screen's correct, it is 827. Second window, please.
Fast food jobs are demanding,
That's
quick
scary.
moving, and sometimes even dangerous. But not for robots.
When you look at the restaurant industry, it's a little bit late to the party in adopting automation and robotics in particular.
So far, the
hate
restaurants
it.
that are using
It's
them or
creepy.
trying them out say that
Why are we
this
such in a
automation
rush?
really only
Why
has to
everything
do with
gotta be
helping
perfect?
relieve boring tasks from workers' plates, help make their jobs easier, let them engage with the customers more. But there's a lot of reports out there kind of guesstimating how many jobs could be replaced by these robots, by
Exactly.
automation.
Up to 82% of restaurant positions could to some extent be replaced by robots.
Oh.
Automation could save U.S. fast food restaurants over $12 billion in annual wages. And restaurants are also struggling to find workers. American restaurants are down more than 560,000 jobs, or about 4.6% of its workforce from their pre-pandemic levels. About a third of Americans worked in a restaurant as their first job, and half have some restaurant work experience.
Yeah, the economics of this are very, very compelling. If you take minimum wage, just around the $20,000 per year mark.
Rolling out a portable fryer station for baseball games at Dodger Stadium.
This was really the peak throughput test for us. Can Flippy keep up with in-between innings at a Dodger game and everybody goes to the concession stand? Can we meet that demand?
In 2021, Miso launched Flippy 2 using a mounted rail system, AI, and computer vision technology that can identify and track food as it moves through the structure. Although it has a camera, tablet, and robotic arm, engineers say the real tech is in the software.
The hard thing to get right about this product is having the computer vision, the algorithms that plan the cook cycle, and the software that manages the robotic motion to all work together so that it's as reliable as a refrigerator
crazy.
and it does the job.
Food is dispensed
robot
directly
is a
from the
team in
freezer
itself.
into a basket. The robot's
That's
computer
creepy.
vision identifies the type of food and places it in the appropriate fryer. Once the food is cooked, the basket is taken out of the fryer, shaken, and dumped into a holding area where it is bagged by a worker.
For those of us who have been in a restaurant, this is exactly the same process that is done today by a human.
He's constantly playing like a multi-frame game of chess in his mind, understanding where to be next, so his sequence of movements is precise and he doesn't undercook, overcook food.
But what about the
Look at
cost?
how they're
Miso charges
already
restaurants about
removing
$3,500 a month for a
the
Flippy 2.
robotic aspect of it. They're saying it's not
Of
human.
about
it's a
$10,000
fucking
for installation.
computer.
By comparison,
Motherfucker.
the median hourly wage of fast
Crazy.
food workers in the U.S. is just $12.07 an hour. There were roughly 11.7
Now they gonna blame
face up
workers quitting.
Well, you've been waiting to see if
They gonna blame workers quitting. What's up, shorty? Electric car. Kevin Bacon, another Illuminati. Although I love his movies, Illuminati B.I. I hate that car. It looks like an ambulance. Yo, the new style of cars
Every
are
mile.
fucking shit.
barrage of orders coming from drive-through customers as well as the main counter.
Would you like to try any mac and cheese bites today? All right, thank you. If the screen's correct, it is 1042. Second window, please.
very
Second
fast-paced.
window.
We're all in our positions, but we do move around, jump about to help out, to get the orders out.
But meager salaries, fewer teenagers in the workforce, and fear of COVID have been a drain on fast food restaurants. Job openings at restaurants and hotels reached 1.3 million in November 2022, the 20th consecutive month with over a million.
Thank you. It has to. I already know this is all Illuminati shit, yo. Let's see what this hoe gotta say again.
White Castle said it plans to add 100
My bad. That was my bad.
over of 130%, according to Panera Bread's CFO.
However many employees I would need to hire, especially because a lot of workers have not been sticking around as long as they're used to.
This is one of the positions that is the hardest to fill and hardest to retain for restaurant operators. There are dozens of positions back of house. This one is a really demanding one. It's hot and it's very, very fast paced.
Robots like Flippy solve other problems for restaurants too. For starters, fast food work can be dangerous. In California, the state with the highest number of people employed in the fast food industry, workers face health hazards, ranging from overflowing sewage, smoke inhalation, and extreme
They're gonna
heat.
save money on keeping people
In
healthy. I
2010
thought that's what
to 3
Corona was
million.
about. I thought keeping people healthy was what Corona
2020,
about. 13
the auto
again.
industry, by far the
30,
largest
of
segment in the
course.
market, is followed by electronics, food and beverage, and metals and machinery. The industrial robotics market is expected to reach $81 billion by 2028,
Aw,
up from
damn.
almost $42 billion in 2021. But will those trends
Terminator
impact
coming
Miso's
soon.
business?
Hope y'all enjoyed the videos. The JQ show. I'm out. I'm tired of this ish. But yeah, man. Transhumanism robotics is here. It's replacing workers now. Let's go. Peace.